This is how you program the remotes on your Gliderol GTS Optima overhead door opener. Now you should have one of these remotes, or maybe you've got an aftermarket version, that's okay. The one on the left is the TM305c, that's the older model. That's what this one uses. The slightly newer circuit board uses the white TM390 Plus. TM305c, TM390 Plus. Today we're working with the TM305c remote, so let's get into it and program it into the unit. The first thing you want to do is take off the front cover here. This one has an LED lighting system, so you can let it dangle down or you can unplug it if you like. It's quite strong, you can leave it hang there, no problem at all. Now facing the circuit board from underneath, the easiest way to find the learn button is press one of the buttons on your remote. That little red light there will flash indicating the learn button right next to it. Now if you've lost any remotes, to erase the memory, hold this learn button down for about 6 to 8 seconds. And once the red LED extinguishes, your remote has been erased from the memory. So press the learn button once, the red LED will come on. You've got about 10 seconds to press the top button on your remote. Press the top button on your remote, the LED will flash and go out, and that's it. Your remote control has been successfully programmed. Let's give it a crack. Easy as that. So a quick recap, remove the front cover of your machine, let it dangle down. Find the learn button by pressing a button on your remote. Press the learn button next to the LED, and then press the remote button. And that's it, you've programmed your remote control on your Gliderol GTS Optima. I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching.